Good Tuesday morning, South Carolina weather watchers. I am the host for South Carolina Weather, Jesse Peterson. Let's go ahead and start off with the weather for your Tuesday, going into your Tuesday night. As we look at the radar for right now, we are clear over here in South Carolina. We do actually have, looks to be like some snow. Seems to be just west of Atlanta again. This might not be hitting the ground because you know how sometimes this radar does. Says CMRMS is the satellite. It's not like the actual like radar itself. It's just like a satellite view of rain pretty much. So I mean this could potentially be snow, this could not be snow. So that's what we're just gonna have to figure out. If it is snow or not, they probably posted something if it was. Here we have some snow up here in New England, near New York. We do have some ice in the Rockies as well as some snow and some rain on the west coast. Snow in the higher elevations of California as well. And this is what the radar pretty much looks like for right now. Everyone else, the central, the south central, the Midwest, the Great Lakes, the pretty much everybody is doing pretty good right now. So that is a good thing to hear. But we do have flash flooding likely down there in Los Angeles. We'll talk about that in a second. So let's go ahead and look at our cloud cover. So looking at our cloud cover, we do have kind of like a line, kind of like moving through the South Carolina region, especially through like Columbia, Charleston, and places like that. Other than that, it looks to be pretty clear out. Nothing really expected with these clouds, just a couple of cloud cover problems maybe, and that's all you really have to worry about. Here's our current temperatures. I know it's not loaded, but I saw it before, so I know them. I'm pretty sure it was 47 in Augusta, 48 in Savannah, 45 in Columbia, 46 in Florence, 48 near Charleston, 46 near Myrtle Beach. I think those were the current temperatures. Down to our south, 49 in Tallahassee, 50 in Gainesville, 51 in Jacksonville. To our west, 45 in Atlanta, 44 in Birmingham, 42 in Huntsville, 45 in Montgomery, 50 in New Orleans, and then to our north, 38 in Chattanooga, and just pretty much 38 in Chattanooga and the 40s inside of North Carolina. Here are our maximum temperatures. Maximum temperatures right now is 61 in Columbia, 60 in the Sumter, Florence region, 56 near, I think that, Myrtle Beach, 61 near Charleston, 62 near Augusta, and then to our, I almost just did the thing for the current temperatures. I almost said to the north and to the south and to the west, but we don't do that for the maximum temperatures. So yeah, maximum temperatures, it's pretty looks pretty good for today. Not too cool, but also not too warm. So I don't know, whichever way you want it. We do have those wind gusts around 10 to 15 miles an hour throughout most of the upstate and the pretty much for all of South Carolina. So that is something that we don't really have to watch for. No precipitation is expected for the next 24 hours. And then here's the Storm Protection Center outlook. Pretty much a couple of lightning strikes, a couple of thunder could happen inside this western region. You see like the green region right here. And pretty much no severe weather is expected for today. Now, as for flash flooding, that's a whole different story. Um, it it's pretty much the Los Angeles region is the region that mainly has to watch out, and it's pretty much just it's gonna be a kind of like reoccurring until like I think tomorrow. This should be pretty interesting to see how this works out as we go to tomorrow. You know, tomorrow's thing they're still working on that, but we do still have a marginal risk for day 3 as well for, places up in the Ohio Valley. But yeah, it should be pretty interesting how this plays out. Seeing what it does, because you already saw the flash flooding likely down there in Los Angeles. Um, we have a moderate risk of excessive rainfall near Los Angeles, and that slight risk can go down to San Diego, Sacramento, San Francisco, Santa Barbara, and then the marginal risk goes all the way out towards Las Vegas as well. Here's our day 1 to 3 winter weather as well. We're not under any, so we don't have to worry about it. But thank y'all so much for watching this forecast this morning. About a good 5 minutes. So that's all we're gonna do for today. And yeah, I will see y'all later tonight, later this evening, with another weather forecast update.